What's up, my YouTube family? What's up, Speak My Mind family? What's up? Happy Market Day. Remember now, Saturday, traditional market day in Jamaica. So you don't watch when me say happy market day, because it might not be market day for everybody around the world or everybody who support this channel, wherever you come from, across the world. But you don't know, it's a traditional market day for Jamaicans, Saturday. Just like how we have traditional food day. Yeah, man, traditional food day. I'm going to eat before I get into the video. Traditional food day, on a Sunday, you know, say rice and peas. With whatever, you don't know what the popular meat is chicken. Because them claim to say ackee and saltfish are a national dish. But honestly, I guess ackee and saltfish cook less in Jamaica. Reason being, ackee beer pan season, but chicken is right around the season. So I more feel like chicken are the national dish, should be the national dish. So on Sunday, rice and peas, and you don't know, say on Monday, you have a thing named Sunday Monday. Yes, man. Most people not cook on Monday. Then just cook enough this Sunday, and it go over in the Monday. Then Tuesday now, they might cook up a little bit after coming off a 2 day rice, little yam and dumpling and banana with something. Wednesday, traditional stew peas there. Thursday, they might go back rice again with little liver, little kidney, or little this or little that. Our food. On Friday is a no cook day for Jamaicans. Not everyone, but the majority. And Fridays is a no cook day for Jamaica. Fast food, box food, Kentucky, Island Grill, Popeyes, you name it. Fast food day. And on Saturday now is the soup day and the market day. Yes, man. So, anyway, speak my mind, people. Want to know what to do. Just continue to do the do. I'm like the do now, I do so far, you know. I'm on the road to 10,000 K. I still don't reach the 8,000 yet, but the road and the destination for this year is to achieve 10,000 K by December. When I reach 7,000 K, that was my aim, and I asked, yes, you know, I want to reach 10,000 K. I could have said within 3-4 months now, but knowing me is not the greedy type, plus me not give nobody nothing for put down, not even the thumbs up, the comment, or the subscription, me not going to put down, you know. Me just can ask and ask diligently, you know. But my aim is to reach 10,000 K for the year. We still don't reach half of the year as yet, so it is possible because I'm about to reach that 8,000 K within a few weeks or days, I should say. So bless up on yourself for the continuous support, all of the new subscribers. Bless up, as I said, take on the time and be a part of the family. Anyway, you know what to do. As I say, like, share, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend, hit the thumbs up and hit the video, and please to watch the ads. Continue to support my backup channel, Life is a Mission TV. Up the side of the community, you see Tamika Douglas TV, give her a subscription. Remember the 10 subscription a week where we are work on for each on our channel, and down here so Life Gabby and Chevy. And the cash app is also down there. $ Life is a Mission TV. Anyway, people. Oh, me and my married woman shirt. When I say married woman, then say when time man close buy it up so, then they with married woman. Anyway, people, I wake up this morning to a video and I decide say, if this video go through, I might give you 2 video for the day. You know? Where the lizard so she was sent something in her phone by one of our friends. She said friend, but you don't know them still. Subscribers and all those things, they classify them as friends. Although them know them from nowhere. And this is the reason why most of them get in a trouble and squeeze up in a asshole and can't come out. You understand? So it was all about the Tats situation. At first me will call the person name now, because I always just say Judas. Where you don't know the saga, the Judas argument with her and stuff, with what transpired. And she said she get somebody send her a video. And when she analyzed the video, I show now these people are so dunce, you know, and prove themselves to be dunce day in, day out. When she analyzed the video, her analytic of this video proved that she's dunce. If so be the case, or probably she just turns it her way because she can't. Who sent her the video? A dunce also. Because if you're going to send somebody something, you send them it because of a reason. And the reason why you send them it, you might also tell them, you don't know what transpire behind phone. And so that them are going to look for in the video. So when she come out and talk about it, and when me analyze the video, or sensible people analyze the video, them say this woman is a dunce. For real. What I am not sure of. I don't know if you can go in the comment and tell me. The video is all about Judas, as me say, Ray. But the point they are trying to get across is that Donna and Shub our family on the bus. When she was the one who announced the DMG Foundation in Canada. Alright? There is a recording, and I remember the recording for true. When I hear it, I remember it. But what I don't remember, if it was this year, when Donna recently got to Canada, or it's from last year, I don't remember. At one point of the video, I hear she was saying because she not sure. See there, and the same clothes she in when she go her birthday celebration. So I am not really sure about that part. But based on the whole analytic of the video and analyzing the video and what she's trying to get across, it not add up. It not add up. That is just a little part that is puzzling me. But we're going to get into the video and make you listen. So I could start from scratch. I don't know me there, I know. So who drink soup and get hungry after the first video with the guitar fish head one? You understand? So now I get supper, yeah. A supper that one your name.
Come out. But me still do my private information. When you come here, call the planker them for me, please, and thanks.
With there.
Bet me share.
Slime him out with there.
Call the plankers them for me, please, and thanks.
We not gone nowhere.
Call the
With there.
them, please, and thanks. Me come back and do the show, but this burn me. To see old Donna do her cousin under the name of liar. Lies.
You have a problem with people telling lie, and you tell the most lie on social media. Just like how you come now make people tell you foolishness.
Sit down and plan out a whole bag of lie on this girl. And bear in mind, me and this girl never talk. I'm not defending her because she out order to people to she thief a lot for Donna. I am not defending her.
You sound confused. Make up your mind, you sound confused.
And tell them to leave the cousin alone. It's wickedness. You know, so last night we do the show, and somebody called in and tell me, said, Donna already talk about this foundation in Canada. So when she come out and tell people how the plank Tats talk her business and she never want she didn't want to come bust it. See it here, Donna. See, you see them planker here will follow you? That's why I know it's called. You have them on that.
She's going to play the recording. I'm going to play a couple pieces of Donna's voice because I want to get my point in line so it come across properly.
Talk about the foundation, exactly what she planned to do. And we're going to play when she...
This basically is something what she know about, you know. You hear her? Donna did already talk about the foundation and what she planned to do. But yet still, you know this and know so much, but somebody have to send this recording to you where you take and analyze it in the way you want to analyze it. You understand what I'm saying to you? This is how you take this recording, you know, because based on the person who send it to you, where they might have point out in the recording why they send it to you, you just jump on it. You know, like them little we call them fish they clean barracuda. And clean like all the job them some cleaner fish where they see everything you just suck onto. Yes, when you see them little fish there, them suck on all upon the shark, them are clean the shark. You call it clean, them call them cleaner fish, but them have a next thing, and so you coming like. And you just jump to it and you talk. So make your talk, you talk.
That show the cuts under the bus and the cuts the target. And when I go here, she said pay a blogger they call her and I congrat her. And she never know what is it. She just give them a Jesus Christ. So then I sit down and I go suck out on the money every day. Listen,
That's your
coming on
problem.
still and we're going right tonight.
And that's one of the biggest problem we know. Listen. I want to listen keenly, you know, people. Please listen keenly. Only hear it already, you know, but the video we have to dissect, listen what Donna say and get the understand. I will be coming back. She will be repeating it over and over. So me not have to repeat it. I want to just listen to the statement. I will be coming back. I will be coming back with full-fledged DMG foundation. Basically, this was a initial thought. An initial thought because remember, she said she had done with charity. She had done with charity. And this is how some bloggers, as she said, come in and call her and friends, Miss Lawton, Carol, and you know, you name it. And I said, don't done with it, man. Don't with it. Don't done with the charity. You can't done with charity. The people in need and look out. If I even do the thing where you assist student. And this is how the initial stage of deciding to have DMG Foundation comes about. So listen what Donna saying. Listen. I will be coming back. Because this, she already declared that she done with charity. This is when she declared she have done with charity. We know she can't done with charity, but probably on the wide scale basic of how she would build house, give people, cater for baby mother, cater for Tara, cater for Wara. She done with that. Not saying if a person come and want a little assistant and she can afford to give it out of her pocket, she won't give it. Not saying if somebody come about and want a little assistant, you know, and she see it kind in her heart, to say, boy, alright, I'm going to draw for the phone and ask the plank and them can help you. She won't do it. But the full-fledged charity of she building house, so of all 3-4 houses built, she done with that. That's what was her intention. Until these friends and bloggers who reach out to her and tell her don't. Right? And she thought about it, think about it, and decides, okay, if I'm going to go back into charity, I'm just going to just, you know, and she think about registering the charity. So it's not like say, uno, make sure you register the charity. I said that in previous video. She keep repeating it, you know, so it's even better for uno to understand what me I gonna say. To what she has said.
On the ear, in Canada, she speak of it. Say she go help student, DMG Foundation. So now, oh, she listen this. Now let me say it. Now make my critique talk. Let me go for. Let me go for it. Hold on, give me a minute. Hold on, listen this.
As me say, this part of the video I will puzzle me. The Canada when she announced, she said this. I don't quite remember if last year or this year she did say it when she got Canada. But it don't really matter anyway. This no stop from answer this cracker teeth, slimy mouth, y'all.
Very much. So, Auntie Donna, you know, I know you say you finish charity and you're done with it. But why don't you register and help students? And I say, yeah, but we don't want to bang you with them.
You know, say,
I never tell anybody about my filing.
let me tell you also something.
Alright, you understand? The woman just said people reach out to her, ask her, say, why shouldn't you just register the charity XYZ and TED? Right. And this is how the initial stage of the thought comes around. You understand? And she think about it and she go ahead with it. This Canada, when she do this announcement of Canada, what she a talk about, because this is what she using now, to try to tie Donna as a liar and trying to bring down her own family and throw her under the bus, say as she announced it. This was an initial stage, right, of the thought of registering the charity because of the calls and requests that she were getting. At this stage, there wasn't anything, just the thought of doing it. So when you are gonna come and say Donna did already announce it, Donna never announced it, the DMG Foundation is up and running. It's just that it up, but it not open now yet to the public because she needs some time off. But our website or the foundation is up and everything, but it's not open to the public as yet because she needs some time for her personal business and to sort out certain things before she open it to the public. You understand? So when you ever say the woman announced it, she never announced nothing. When you are talking about on a player, so it was just her thought because of the requests that she were getting from friends and other people. So when you sit down and make supporters and people sending you things on the phone, you don't try to analyze and get full understanding of what they're trying to bring to you before you run out on a platform and come look like an idiot and further expose how done so is. You understand? Because this is how you do say, Anyway, we're going to continue, people.
Then no, I say my lovely sister share what I want. I say let me come do it. Alright, so we are...
Your lovely sister share what you want. And you say make you come do it. I never something what you want. But once it name mix up including our pasa bangarang where involve Donna, you go want it. So to make it look like say, you got you want a pound or something. You want some cassava, but you can't get the cassava. Everywhere you go, you can't get it. And somebody call you and say, right, say, if you go up a shopper's fair, them have cassava around there, and you just run go at it, that's a different thing. Than if you just want to hear bangarang about the woman name, you just jump to it. And this is why you don't take no time to analyze. You just come out and just run with it because this is how you stay. You come like when dog run down rabbit in a dog race. All you need for do is just go and fly the gate. When you let go the rabbit, just fly the dog cage. And the dog just stay so. And I run down the rabbit. If the rabbit no stop, him not stop. And when the rabbit go way around the box chest, go stop. And him go so. And him stop now and him go so. Him say it's an automotive or an automatic or an iron rabbit. And realize I don't know where you can name. You understand? I do that.
But you again, please, me don't want to the name come up in the live. I'm not gonna delete the live. Please.
You know, expose them, man. Because we want to see some more Judas we are calling and give you information where they work a planka shop and go like them a planka. We want to see them.
Because nobody in a phone can push me to do nothing and me do it. I don't know what me work off on my own time. So when my filing came through,
when my filing came through, she never said when,
So she did say the filing came through last year then. Me rotted. What a go on? Oh, probably she get privilege. She can get privilege. Because she did say, when her filing come through, so she did say it. Say,
what she did say, come Lurler, what she did say. You listen to the statement properly? Did you listen to the statement properly? Make us see if I can fast forward it. Rewind it, people. Listen carefully. What Donna said. Listen to the statement what Donna make.
They were saying it to me from last year. Because I'm telling them to me done. Because nobody in a phone can push me to do nothing me do it. I don't know say me work out for my own time. So when my filing came through,
when my filing came through, she did not say she come and she tell nobody say her filing come through. All this is in her thought. All this she are saying is in her thought. So when her filing come through, the requests of our friends and family. So all this is in her thought. This was not something when she come out and she said, Lord God, my filing come through. Wait. she did not tell anybody. And she stated that clear. She did not tell anybody. So anybody if leak it, I must poochie. When the son name, I always mix him up Ladien, right? Ladien, not Odien. Odien are the youth of Canada where do the picture where grew up a Mountain View. Ladien, Poochie, and can't remember the next one name. Anyway, most them leak it. Nobody else is supposed to leak it because she not tell nobody else.
Oh, so she did say the filing came through last year then. Me ranted.
Whoa.
Oh, probably she get privilege. You know she can get privilege because she said when her filing come through, so she did say it.
You know, say, I want a foundation to help students, only students going to college and university. And you say, oh my.
People, me not gonna play the whole of you say, because this part of the tape apart I already played in the previous video. Sun gone behind the trees. You know, the scream get dark because the sun gone behind the branch. Me not gonna play right here, so people. Because I already played this already in the previous video with the Judas.
My filing is coming through and I want to, when I go away I can assist students if I'm not living here.
Even right here, so. Why? Even right here, so people, when she was saying she had talked to the accountants who deal with her business and him asked her why now, she never say her filing come through, you know. She state that she tell him say her filing is coming through. Is coming through. And because she have her plan and her 5-year this and her 5-year that, she decide now that the filing probably reach a stage, so she decide now to go ahead. Remember, you know, she said ask a question why now, and her reply was her filing is coming through. Is coming through. And she never say her filing come through where you can run it and say okay, yes, she reach. She never reach. It's just like you send off a parcel and you get a tracking number for the parcel where you can track the parcel, which part the parcel reach and which part the parcel reach. So at some stage you know exactly where she reach, where her filing is concerned. So she decide, okay, I am like a minute away, half day away, a week away, a month away, you know, or just a sign in a way, you know, for everything is okay. So she know within herself. So all this was within her. You understand? Nobody else in the public know. So when you come talk about the woman throw Tats on the bus, throw her family on the bus, foolishness. You just look content. And just sit down and make people set to know upon the platform and sending all kind of rubbish and just jump to it and listen and just run out with the part one want to run out with. And I realize it's something we're out there in the public. This is not something where it's said privately where uno alone have it. So you can cut and dice and splice and chop out what you want to chop out and come tell we out there some foolishness and we are going to sit down and we have a John we are wonder if it goes off the show. You understand? We not going to have Anna with John wonder if it goes off the show because we already know not talk a crap.
First our filing come through, but right half here so we have to highlight it as we go through. We not left the stone pattern. Right here so she say coming through. You understand? But
you done sauce, tough head girl. You is the one who misinterpret the woman from day one. The woman never tell you from day one so her filing come through. So don't come now, come talk about, oh, she a twist it and she a fix it. Now she a say this and now she a say that. You who misinterpret the woman from day one. You know, wingless drunk crow, no? I know still in the era fly at a certain level, you know, because right now, phone level reach right at ground level. Going for that ground level, wingless and the pan. And a batter. Every time when you feel like you don't want to lift up, when you stay so, on a batter, wing can't get up. Whoever see young bird yet? You never see when young bird try to fly? Whichever bird, pigeon, ground dove, whichever bird. Or put it say pigeon because you might more close, because you know say the birds in the wilds, if you don't go out in the woods or buck up one and make nest in on a tree or so, and sitting on the nest drop down and him drop a ground and thing you might not see him. So talk about like some pet birds, like probably Barbie Dove are not really pet bird, but most people have them as pet, but you can't pet them because as you pull the coop, them gone and they won't return. And like pigeon where you can tame. So when you see a young one, you see him the pan. Him have the wing them, you know, but him the pan. Fly him and try practice the flying, but him can't lift off of the ground. At that level you want to come now, man. You want to come off at a little level here. You never up here so long time, you know. You never up here so long at all, you know. But you finally did the, like probably a little distance because you find so you left Jamaica on a certain separation as you say and reach America. And you feel like things better for you. But me not see where things better for you because all you know with the America now. And you say you're alright and comfortable in your life. You drive Uber when hungry take you. And when you feel like you're coming like some people, them money work for have a money in them pocket. But as them have the money in them pocket, then tap work. And when the money done, them want to work again. Are you that? So you work Uber when you're hungry, have bills to pay. You know, work Uber continuously for elevate yourself in a life and tell yourself, say, okay, this is where you put yourself to. And then you come out and tell people on your platform, say, Donna, lazy. A woman that bleach on her foot hours and night, back to back, day to day, week to week, to achieve what she want in the space of the time where she tell her, say, alright, me have 2 months out of baking for do. And this is what me I go do. When me can go couple night, me go lie down and sleep and left fresh and the whole of them for do what them I do. You understand? And that's why she have a staff because she know she alone couldn't do it, and that's why she have to treat them well. Because without them, the achievement where our products of baking is concerned wouldn't reach that limit because she alone without help could not done it. Because on the basic of how she have to bleach and stand up on her foot, she couldn't do it, she alone. So she have to have people where sometimes terms take. Alright, you take the night off, yeah. Alright, you not come work to 10 o'clock, come about 1 o'clock in the night. So you get extra time. And make sure you take some rest in, man, because that's why I give you the rest. Yeah, man, you go and go do this because you have a little business to do. Wait. Take some time, man, and then rotate. And that's why she reach. And that's when you grudge the woman for you come talk about woman lazy. Who lazy? You can't call somebody like that lazy. And this is what I say, this is something we show up on social media where it's a public platform all over the world, worldwide platform, and you also a lady like this lazy. What she lazy with? Choose your car. Fresh, bring on water for me there. Janai, do this for me there. Tina, that not make she lazy. That means comfortable. She can afford. Because no freedom I do it, you know. They're getting paid. Plus there's a lot of benefits behind it. Because she go to Canada tomorrow morning. If I have one sweet, she care back for each one of them. So also benefit is there. And this is where probably someone will sit down and tell them and says, Lord God, would I want Donna around Donna as a friend or work with Donna? Because look how she treat her work of them. Look how she treat the people them around her. No, sir. This is not one of the boss them where you know no want to see people elevate. This is not one of the boss them where just want you always there around them. And them alone are inherit and a benefit. She always encourage us to try something, do something. You know what them Donna tell if you try things and them not try it? I don't know what the reason for them not want to try it. But you know, so if them didn't even try it and go into them pocket, they will look upon she if you say give them the start. Just go in on a pocket. With even the first bag of rice. Just saying, just word saying. And Donna says so now try and put out there to the plankers. Plank of them would all when them don't want rice and send come buy rice and say, can't go get a golden age home there, can't go get a boys home there, can't go get a girls home there, can't go get them people there, can't go get them mad people there. You 50 pounds of rice, cook this and that and turn that and give them the homeless people them and they get the support there. Plus, she would have probably come in now and sow a seed in them life. You tell me which one of them people were around her, where we say with her in her phone every day. We not talk like the backroom staff who we might not see on a regular basis in a phone, but all of who they own her, drive up and down in a van and go all about with her. We have heard where she encouraged them in doing something. So this woman is not a woman of bad mind and grudgeful. This is a woman who wants to see people strive in her life and elevate in her life. She always preach that. You understand? So for your boss like she, sometimes I wonder if that one sit down and I say, Jesus, I'm sorry, I never around her, you know, because trust me. Wait. I couldn't jealous of the woman, so. You can't call somebody lazy, man. You were in your house 24/7 of the day upon life. Not even plate you want to wash. Eh? Steve have to come home, cook dinner. The big old what this man have to come home, cook dinner. But the reason why him have to suck up to all that what you do, because him sausage wibble up. Not even one of the freezer down a madden. Our Tranquility Funeral Home can't bring back film sausage if you put it on the ice. You understand? It no seems like him have no sausage for work you properly. So because of that, probably somewhere else at work. So because of somewhere else at work now, you have to live. Because even on this alive, you know, when she a play, you know. Steve come in, you know. And she play about the live. I cut out this still and she play about the live and make the live a run. And I soon come, I make this go and play. And she run go out the car, she don't want Steve come down in the basement and which part she there at the time. Come listen to her ear what she say and she go out there and when she a come back in and sitting Steve must come at the yard. Lock the door. Lock the door. Lock the door. She have to end up jump off of the live early. Because this is a live what she do. You know she now do 24 minutes what a live. So you know she did half a left now. And it's 24 minutes and she come back. Oh, and this way depend the whole day. And doing, make sure you work with this, you know. And wait. 24 minutes what a live. A 24 hour, 48 hours. 72 hours, I saw them go live. Then they go 24 minutes. So you know, say Steve come in and she have to jump. So you know, do nothing at all, not even in your yard. So oh, you call this woman lazy? Hey.
20 different lies in the one statement coming down. You understand? And nobody compel her say you are a liar. Composing liar.
Compel, compose.
You know, I want some time to sort out.
I will say most of the anti-party attack, me already said things and talk about that. So basically, me cut out this. So. You understand? Yeah, me cut out this. So. Yes, my people.
The one statement coming down. You understand? And nobody compel her say you are a liar.
So me expose my electronic system, but chuck, like it stay. Get how we live in here, but we have to have an electronic system and camera system. Oh, as I say, I want to cut out the party with Donna. I cut out the party of people. I run the party.
You go up there and you get shown to them. It's a book, like a from up there to this with bookwork and question.
Oh, remember when Miss Ellis said that about the auditing, and that's what Miss Ellis said that say a whole heap of work to register it, a whole heap of work. Then I said that's why she said call Miss Ellis her yard, you know. Now me I realize. So Miss Ellis go her yard and they pretend of buying cake, but explain and tell her where the procedure and where it take and what happen. Then a thief. And stuff like that.
If you were smart in a life, you would have done something like that. If so be the case, and I done call Miss Ellis as what you say, in the honor the decay way like a cake she come by. If I am going to buy a car, I am not a mechanic. And I don't want my money to go down the drain. So I might don't have no knowledge of certain things where car is concerned, engine wise and stuff like that. Looking at the body, yes, me might be not a body man, but me might can look upon it and say, oh yeah man, it's clean. I went and use some whole jump and well it and, you know, putty it out and spray it. Yes, the look side might catch me eye, but within 3 months me buy it start rotting down because the material them use and body work the car, no good. But at least my naked eye show me. But your naked eye cannot show you nothing wrong with the engine. You have to have knowledge. So basically you have to carry a mechanic. And say mechanic, come in my mechanic, I go buy one car, I come tell so I go. Him know what to do, him know when to step in the exhaust, or hard to step in the exhaust, him know if you look for where a leak from when a leak, like how no for no a leak, and him know if you look pan from where must look pan. I don't know, so I have to carry him. So basically if Donna didn't even do this intentionally, this is not a problem, this is nothing at all. It's the right way to go. If most only you do diligence and check things from a certain level, only a certain predicament in a problem and walk and tell lie on people. You understand me? I said to you. So if she call Miss Ellis who already got through the process, to give her a heads up on certain things. Nothing wrong with that. Something wrong with that? No one so no want the charity register. So if somebody case and she got registered, why it still be a problem? I mean, know it will continue to be a problem too now when the charity register. Worse when you see big companies, pan top of companies might come on board and they say on the head got hurt, you know, we not gonna finally have heart failure. You understand? When you know see this big name company come on board, you know come large all them a big name company come out and a different broad back Donna, thiefing Donna, this ya Donna, bangarang Donna, tarana Donna, Donna when not educated, and them a big company. Them not busy with our personality. Them not busy with their educational background. What they busy with is the work that them see she put in over the years and who might just come and go join. The records, the books are there, the videos are there on social media to prove what she have done and how she have done it transparently and how she angle the people them money, we send them money if they come build this and build that and they never take it and build where them want build and build where them want build for themselves and them friend and family. At that them a go look pan. Them now look pan, oh, you don't have any PhD? How? You don't have any, not even low level as CXC? How? You don't have any diploma? How? You're from the ghetto and the gully side? Oh, you're a gully rat? Oh, you're back big and broad? Oh, you build a big house out of the people and money from the gully side? Oh, them now look pan them, they sitting there. Them a look pan the work where she have done. That is what them a look pan. So at that them a come on board and donate for them money and at that a go no hell. That a go make on up. On na go on up on the head earth you know. On the brain cell them a go collapse. So this is the right way if I so be the case. She go about and investigate how to go about it. If me I go do something the first time, me I try to find somebody who have done it already and go through the process. So them give me a heads up on what to expect, what me fi do, what me must do. So when you come and go and like say it's a big deal, she call Miss Ellis her place. You go and like say it's a big deal. It's a big deal? No, it's not. You just making yourself look like a asshole.
I went through the process and it came so Lancashire, me and Auntie Paula, nobody knew about it. Only me and Auntie Paula. No, she knew about it this year because I had told another treasurer.
You talk about, like lie tell, no lie not tell. When this live was doing with Donna people, I think that's the day when Carol did it, or the evening when Carol was there. You know, so Carol was saying, and because Donna said she were doing it with Auntie Paula, and just before she go ahead and say Natalie, Carol said, and probably the Judas. So Carol said, Donna said, no. Basically, the Judas know about it this year. Explain how the Judas know about it now. Explain, Donna.
Me and Auntie Paula doing our thing from last year and Natalie.
Yeah, we should try Natalie now.
This year,
Natalie name was going to call just before whosoever in the background. I think it was Carol at the time when Carol did the house since week attack. If I not lie, I don't quite remember, but I think Carol did it. You know? So that's why she stopped in the tracks when she got called Natalie name. Dumb ass. Why won't you stop and think before you come out and talk? Why won't you listen and get real understanding before you talk? But you don't want to spend no time because that is not about what you is here for. You is here for the negativity and the bad, you know, and everything to pile up and choke upon this lady like a dump of sand and cover. That's what you is here for.
I call, I'm going to specify the person, Judas, and I said, Judas, you know, say me I do something, not knowing that I was.
Alright, cut out yes or no. That is just what I want to get.
Alright. You saw God good? You saw God good? And when she got Canada in the red? It was when? January?
Come show how God good, because we already know God good. And people like Uno alone, God no good too. Because I only help lead him to the cross.
Yeah.
And
So
put him
what
on the
time
cross.
this year
People
she
like
tell the
Uno.
girl, right? Because she talk it February. February she go Canada, right? I think it was February, if my memory serves me right. I don't want to tell no lie. When I can call
You
her
should do
correct,
all them research
if-
before you
if
come
we
on
make
phone and
mistake
chat.
with the month. But I almost sure it was maybe late January to in February. Mama, if I still believe in February. I still believe in February. I don't know why. I think it's in February, right? I think it was in February.
You continue to think it was in February. Why you never do your research before you come on phone? Unlike me, I hear a video, me a dissect, you know. So basically, this is the same little part where I not quite remember if it's this year she did talk about the foundation, but based on the whole information and we out, it couldn't be this year. Because she said, when she talk about it and say it to the accountants, and it couldn't be this year because basically, as she said earlier on, it takes time. It's not just a one-off thing where you run go yes and sign this, run go yes and sign this, and it's ready. It takes time. It's a lot of paperwork. So it couldn't be February and it's ready already. So basically, people understanding must tell you say this was from last year. This one I talk about at this year when the woman got the birthday celebration at Canada is when she said this and announced this. No, lie. The initial stages and thought of this was from last year, not this year. And this is why you're confused. Yes, sir. Let me see. Me don't know. Me don't want to tell a lie. If me wrong, gonna correct me. Me not afraid to come out come apologize. You should have do all of this from morning. You come like the politician and me come out. Come discriminate people and draw false allegation against them one another. And put what them want put out in the atmosphere, and when them supporters run with it. And then now, corporate Jamaica and the business sector and chambers and them place there. Yes, man, and when them put it out there in the atmosphere, them supporters done it already, and when them come on a pressure, them come on, okay, I apologize. Because you know you don't put it out there already, and you know the public sector and the business sector can come down for you for the statement you make. And all you gotta do is just come and apologize. You still put it out there because you didn't know you do wrong from day one, you know. But you put it out there because all you gonna need is an apology and it done right there. So them time there, you done stain the person name already.
If me make mistake, call me make me apologize for it. But I think she went to Canada in February. When should I done talk it? So what time this year should I tell the girl? Can you have January, February? We just reach.
Why you never get your facts together before you come? You come now a guess and a spell. You should have get your facts together before you come. But your friend them just send things come here and you feel like a content. Cause from it I bring down Donna near me night, you go run out.
It couldn't be. It couldn't have been. Good morning, Ginger. Good morning, Molana. Couldn't have been. You saw God good, we'll play again. You saw God good?
Only you God no good too. Because God never gave no knowledge, wisdom and understanding.
This our mama and papa and everybody did. You understand? She can sit down and take advantage of all who she can do.
When come on the system, take some time down early in this year. So when you do it, that's why I said some personal stuff that I had wanted to share myself was left hanging in the open. So when you do it now, when you're ready to start it down, come on the system same time. You know at Jamaica, it takes a while for it to come up where you can see it online. And when I did it, I tell few people about it. A few bloggers had, before I heard about it with the bloggers, somebody reached out to me from Florida and said to me, I never know you register the charity. Remember, you know. So where you get that from? And the person said to me, say, I can you send the message? Alright. The person said to me,
You hear her? I say Tats get thrown on the bus. Donna did announce it already. She had if and about if I this year or last year as on the year earlier. But on the year where Donna just a while ago, someone call her from Florida. Tell her congratulations and what she never knows she this and she never knows she that. And the person go ahead. Well, probably basically Donna might say, oh, you know that. And the person might in return tell Donna how she know. Oh, how she know. Judas tell her, yeah man, you know, say Miss Judas tell me, Ray, that must come into a shot now to Donna because if me tell you something and say, boy, I keep it secret and personal because me trust you and Ray, and you gonna tell people. So basically, oh, you are gonna come and say that a chote our family honor the bus. When the person identify who tell her said yes, DMG Foundation, the charity no register. How to honor the bus is there. When I told you something, I asked you to keep it confidential, keep it private, me trust you, and you still go they go tell other people. And basically it's not just one, it's not just two, because she were hustling. She were hustling for the information, and the information, she were hustling on the information. But you come and say the woman to her own family and the boss, and she come on, come tell people. Then I never come out, come tell nobody say the charity finally register. In the initial stages, she told people that people reach out for her to register the charity. You understand? And it was in her thought. It's a different thing when somebody have something in them thought, say them are going to register the charity, than when it register now and ready and even up and running, but them just close the site, whatsoever it is, and have it private and don't open it to the public yet, because she is not in that physical position right now to do whatever it takes. You understand? Because she want time off to do her own business and come into America. I mean, I come with no bag of Cali. Me say me come into America. I mean, I come with no bag of Cali. You know about they sing a song there? Yes, man. She not come with nothing like that. She a come with her brand and her name. So all I want to sit down and talk about, she not come America if come work. She a come now, she register charity because she want to come sit down on charity and live off of people money now. So she register charity if come America if come sit down. She not want to come work. You know, remember the woman have a brand in America. Remember the woman biggest support base is from America. You understand? Our biggest support base is from America. But we don't know worry and fret, because if it is so strong when it die yard and she get so much support. Judge now. When probably me live right here, so and all it need is a bicycle man to carry where you want around there, so now long bag of shipping and how much hundreds of dollars now if you pay now. And now the head go bust off like when nail head bust off and carpet and go so bang and the wire nail like broke off because of no good material. Me sorry for no. You're not gonna need help.
Me say, so and so tell me. I couldn't tell the person say a lie because the person when the person said tell them they know about it and they
Cause you tell them.
specifically said just keep this privately. This is something between me and you. Nobody and Paula. Paula never tell nobody at all. Not tell nobody at all, but the person went and share it. But not just one.
But what I want to know, a set of females were together, and part of them said Natalie, Donna, I do Tats like this. How them feel, how them sit with it? Is it that them talk to Tats or them have a malice Tats too? You know, me don't really want to know if them have a cut off Tats since that she do Tats like this. Lord Jesus.
So what you try to say? Donna I go tell them who to talk to and who not to talk to? I don't think so. From what I have seen over the years, our art is not like that. It's their free will to speak to who they want to speak to. But the Judas, our mind might not set her free. Our heart might not set her free. You know, if you know she do something like this and these two people is so close to 99 and still close to 99, she might not feel it in herself. Or probably she might know and again probably drop a one call for Natalie and say, Natalie, alright, everything good, wait. But I don't think that now, because this is what you try to say, you know. Right, that's like you're smart and I decay way, you know. Like you feel like say Donna go tell Natalie and Paula say don't talk to Tats. No, I don't think Donna go do that. I feel them free will. She can't tell nobody who to talk to. But one thing she know, although they are family, you know, anything can talk over and stuff like that. You know. But knowing the January people we are, you know, we take sleep and mark. Yes, man. January people, we take sleep and mark. We know wait till things get worse. Or we know wait till things happen to us. We take sleep and mark. And you see the simplest of things what you do, that is what we feel offended about. Because if you can take one simple something and blow it out of proportion, just imagine if you get the opportunity to see major things. What you going to do? So me take the simple one where you use and blow it out of proportion to try do whether carry me down or whatever the circumstances is and judge you. And me nah give you the chance. A second time. Once beaten. Twice, so help me Lord. That nah go on again. You understand? Yes man. Nah go on again.
So when money can cost, money.
More than one person. When I hear about
When money can cost? Eh? What money can cost? Anything money because you saw are the good friendship where the Judas did have with our family. Where if she go and say more than 10, 20,000, she could have given it. And when she say I borrowed, she could have said, borrow a man, hold this. So if anything, other person they cause the problem upon themselves.
you know, I was
Back it to Canada in February.
What proof you have? Come out with the date. Cause me say people,
Yeah, boy.
she a guess and she a spell. And as me say people, I don't remember if I in a February then I thought this. My memory serve me right, I from last year then I thought this. But who send her this tape? Tell her say this year then I talk it. And that's why she come out and say Donna push Tats on the bus. When she announced it. And when Donna talk about this, I don't think no paperwork started. It was in the initial stages where it is in our thought because of the request from our friends. You understand, and other people to continue with the charity. Just register it and continue. You understand? But I don't. So if you want to be transparent and want to fight corruption, come out with your proof and prove it to the public. So see it at date XYZ when she say it. Oh.
Yeah, come back here, come here, go do something for me, also, and come back.
Yeah, right.
Then you never remember saying you talk about it in Canada. No more the other phone for you play it. Away phone there. One for you play, one for you show and one a play your son. No, a two phone for you run. Operation, two phone quick. Let me catch the last part of the live. Come in.
She have to run now, you know, because as me tell you, so she'd have to break one at a time because Steve come. So she have to run. I saw the live only go 24 minutes. Them you know keep them the short live there. Unless internet gone or her phone brought down. Oh.
And after that mandate, she see 20 road before her and she chose to go on the wrong road. What is the wrong road? Scamming people their money. What is the wrong road? Telling be a lie. What is the wrong road? Sit down every day and premeditate on people money. What is the wrong road? She
Not
lazy.
24 minutes,
What is the
26
wrong road? She
minutes,
don't wanna
26
go walk.
minutes.
What is the wrong road? Mind the dance them a Mountain View. What is the wrong road? Our co-workers say my buy guns and bullets. What is the wrong road? Thief of people here out of them head. What is the wrong road? And come out with pale in our mouth. What is the wrong road? Envy our cousin. What is the wrong road? Our cousin get a walk of feet.
How she envy her cousin? How can somebody envy somebody where they are above in a certain circumstances category? Listen why she envy her cousin. Listen how them fool and dunce.
Next high place. What is the wrong road? She get a letter so her cousin write nice and Miss Phoenix a big up. Me not call you no Miss Phoenix. Cause una thief who not deserve another name. Phoenix a big up the cousin she can write nice and very intelligent. You can see that Tats go to school. And what is the wrong road? Tats should
And
join
that make
your
Donna
team
jealous
and
of her.
beat her. What is the wrong road?
That make Donna jealous of her because Miss Phoenix a big up Tats how she can write good. The brightest a person can write good. You can write good no mean say you're educated or you're not educated. There's a lot of people who can write good. We're very educated and have much degree and roll on and spray and all kind of thing. PhD, CXC. And there's a lot of people who don't have nothing like that and can write pretty. So writing Oh, Donna got jealous and the position with Tats in her today at Miss Phoenix. If it wasn't for Miss Donna, Tats wouldn't be there. So oh, Donna be jealous after that. And I know. It's just that Donna don't have that art and probably Miss Phoenix don't have that art. If it's a case where we say, alright, watch out, terminate your service tomorrow, man. It can be terminated with ease. So where the jealousy is concerned. Only just want chat. Only just want chat. Only just want chat. Jesus, please. I saw the mouth keep fresh. I saw the mouth keep fresh by chatting and calling Donna name.
Gotta use you beat Tats. You get a beat the Tats. Cause me have
Tell us so she
record how you
confused.
deal
Here
with
I know
people,
gone
you know,
Tats.
deal with them nice.
Confuse
You
them,
understand?
confusing her
You
life.
know, deal with
Over
them good.
people, life and business and
So I
money.
feel beat that you get where you sit down on teeth with her. But that doesn't say she should have tell lie for you. You understand? So left her to God and make sure you pray for the people them where you teeth with her. Sit down and tell
Confusion, confusion. Uno confuse. Uno confuse.
So you plan for wait till you go for and you tell them. I saw the plank of them are gonna operate today with this.
Come out with it, yeah, come out with it.
Do we no left this, you know?
Yes,
this
do
is
we?
something you feel right,
Yes, baby
she talk about
germs.
the foundation from February. And sit down with her big self now and tell people so should I wait to.
You know, say, I guess baby germs have a little more sense than you. Yes, him have a little more sense than you. Despite him, I want to own him, have a little more sense. Because he's a man, we probably got to check him thing before him really run out. Unlike you, when I really have no sense and no knowledge on it, people just lead, you know. A piece of string pound like puppet or draw, you know. Anything them tell you, just run out, you know, look for yourself and listen and analyze.
I wonder if she really have come up to a God. Let me shut my mouth. I can't spell the politics.
Sit and wait. Sit and wait and you will find out if she's coming up. Speak my mind, people. Thanks for watching. We come to the end of another video. Another jealous video. Another grudgeful video. And envy video of the Tell Lie Camp. You know what they do? Like, share and subscribe to the channel. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Hit the thumbs up when you hit the video. Please to watch the ads. Continue to support both of my channels. Life is a Mission TV. If you have not yet subscribed, go subscribe. In the community, remember I have Tamika Douglas TV. Remember 10 subscriptions a week for both channels. Life with Gabby and Chevy down here. So. And remember the cake sale, Life with Gabby cake sale, the 3rd of June. Remember, them are begging to call in and WhatsApp on the order by the 24th of 28th of May so them can know which part them business stand up. Alright? And remember the cash app pin down there. People, I plan to give you this video today. If I drop this video today, you might don't get no video tomorrow. As well as you can get one. And if this video don't upload by time, you might don't get it, you might get it tomorrow. Alright? So when you see it, I want to hear me I say, I want to know the difference. This video is for going to double today Saturday. But based on the upload time, if it don't allow me to, tomorrow I'm going to see it. And if you don't get it today, it's not a must for you to get a video Sunday. So stay tuned. Bless upon yourself. Love you. Check phone. Tomorrow I'm going to do some breadfruit punch. I have peanut here. I have almond. I have pumpkin seed. Sunflowers. Mashed seed. I forgot what that one your name and the almond. So bless upon yourself. From January I make that punch here, people, but every time in a January breadfruit is too expensive and none of them for my tree. So I say I wait till my tree fit and ready. Now my tree fit and ready. I have a couple breadfruit on it, so I plan to do some breadfruit punch tomorrow. I want to see if I can get a 1 pound yellowtail snapper and steam it also with some crackers. You don't know my style already, so stay tuned for that on the Life is a Mission channel. See the process of me making the breadfruit punch with all these ingredients and a lot more to come. Bless upon yourself. Thanks for watching. I'm out.